Anubhav sir, why did you feel that talking about the number of rape cases that happen on a daily basis, like you've again and again you've said that thing, and after 20 minutes, that flash also comes on screen. Why do you think it was an important topic to be talked about on the big screen?
The idea was to denormalize a news that we have accepted as a part of life. And as long as it's happening 1,000 kilometers away from us to someone else's daughter, we are not fine with it, but we take it as fait accompli. अरे हो गया यार, अभी क्या करें? But I think we as a society collectively need to think about it. And it's always very easy to pass the blame on to judiciary or the police or whatever. But I personally believe that the police can do precious little about it besides what they are doing already. The CCTV cameras, but the camera will only see it. So there is no way to look at it at a pre-crime stage. And a very, very large share of this 80 happens at home. And so how is the police supposed to know that this uncle is going to do this to his niece and stuff like that? So I think it's more of our problem. And something that, because it's uncomfortable, because conventionally we don't talk about this in families, we find the adjectives disturbing and uh, uh, quite useful as adjectives, because that human beings are always looking for a shield to hide behind. Anything that, when you realize you put on some weight, you avoid the mirror because you know what you're going to see there. So that mirror is uncomfortable. So it was important to say this loud and clear, and also sort of wrap it inside a dramatic story so that it gets your attention, it engages you for those 2 hours that you spend in the theater.
Was there any specific incident or maybe any news report that you read that you felt compelled to write the story?
Some have left more impact than the others, but this story is not out of another one incident. Actually, the fact of the matter is that once you start uh, researching, they pretty much all of them are the same stories. So there's not something really very dramatically different from each other. But no, to answer your question very point blank, no, it's not inspired by a particular story. In my view, again, contrary to Tapsi's view, I think this cinema is the future of Hindi cinema. These are the films that they are looking for. These are the films that will run the engine that will make the other mainstream cinema. I call it the other mainstream cinema. This is the real mainstream cinema because it's their story. It's happening within a kilometer from them.
Also, Anubhav sir, I want to understand clearly from you the involvement of children. I mean that you're definitely trying to say that they are not innocent anymore. They also know what's happening in society. So tell me, what was your idea of involving children in a setup like that, the courtroom setup, and what was your brief to them? I mean, what would you tell them?
Whenever you make a film of this kind and you have children involved, you are working on two scripts. One that you share with the child. So he had a different story of the film.
तो आप क्या बताए थे उनको?
उसकी माँ से बैग छीनने में, वो माँ का बैग छीन रहा था तो वो उसने फिर माँ को मार दिया, बहुत थप्पड़ मारे, तो ऐसे झूठ बोल के. So every scene, depending on what I wanted out of him, I would give him a new story and but that's that specific child who's very intrinsically involved in the plot. But the idea of children in the film, I wanted to see this. I think I'm looking at the next generation. I think our generation has failed. There is no discussion. So I, as a senior member of the civil society, is looking at the next generation and saying, please help me, because I messed up. But while I say that to them, I'm also aware that where they stand is a mess. It's not the beginning of civilization where you can start writing a new script. They are standing in the middle of a messed up situation. So we need to hold their hands as people who have lived a longer life. But so while I was dealing with this as a co-writer and as a director, I felt I couldn't look at Tapsi or Kani or you or him. It's out of our hands. It's out there. I think the situation at the earliest is a better situation at the earliest is no less than a decade away from us. When we start talking to a 13-year-old today, and by the time he's 23, this number 80 comes down to 20. But this is if you start doing it urgently, and that's where the expression an urgent watch comes from, that let's do it, guys, let's do it. So Nasir bhai, I said, sir, एक 2 सीन का रोल है, प्लीज कर दीजिए. सो मैं सुबह सुबह उनसे एक दिन रात को मैसेज किया, सर नाश्ता कराइए ना. तो उन्होंने कहा आ जाओ, कल सुबह आ जाओ. तो देन आई वेंट टू हिज हाउस एंड देन आई वाज गोइंग अराउंड द बुश. देन आफ्टर व्हाइल से तुम आए क्यों हो, चाहिए क्या? तो मैंने कहा सर 2 सीन का एक गेस्ट अपीयरेंस कर दीजिए. बोले कर दूंगा. फिर उन्होंने कुछ मांगा भी नहीं. फिर 3 days बिफोर द शूट ही आस्क्ड फॉर द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ही सेड सेंड मी माय सीन्स. आई सेड नहीं सर, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लीजिए. तो उन्होंने पढ़ी. फिर Supriya ji and Seema ji were like in the middle of the shoot. Gaurav and I keep rewriting the scenes, and suddenly one scene became much better than what it was, and we realized that we needed Supriya ji. So I called Supriya ji from Delhi. मैम एक दिन के लिए आ जाओ, एक सीन कर दो प्लीज. हाँ, अभी मुझे उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा कि आपने ऐसा क्यों किया. सीमा जी, that was, it could have been any actor, but that first close-up of hers is what I saw first. And I saw her face, and I knew that how much value she could bring to that close-up. So I requested her, and she agreed. Divya Datta, I requested on a WhatsApp voice note. I just sent her the messages, and I said, please, isko dub karke bhejo. So now you'll have to ask them why they did it. I think they love me. I have reasons to believe that. So
But ऐसे आते हैं या कुछ give and take होता है मतलब?
नहीं, पैसे भेजे थे, नहीं लिए किसी ने, सबने भेज दिया वापस. But तो
very good biryani and sense.
हाँ, तो मैं अक्सर बुला के खाना वाना बना के खिलाता हूँ लोगों को. तो पता नहीं उसके लिए, पता नहीं, मतलब it's just their love for me, and I love them too, obviously, and I would do anything of this kind if they ever wanted me to.